Hello, welcome to another tutorial of coding. In this tutorial of coding, we are going to be making a adventure game. The reason I'm making an adventure game is I got a comment of that you can try an adventure game, so I'm trying it. The version that I was practicing on was this type of version without the map. I'm going to make the tutorial without the map because an adventure game is usually without a map, right? I just made it just to trying how to make a map. If we touch these red colors, then we die. And if we touch, okay, it is not actually this color. If we touch this color, it means just zoom in. This will be our key. Like I'll just do it in another color, but okay. This will be our key. This will be our player. This will be our player's key costume. So yeah, now let me show you the comment that I got. So I got, and yeah, thank you for watching my videos. I'm so happy that I'm getting videos, but the comment I got on this in this video, this one, I asked like 3 weeks ago which game to make next. He replied to me like 2 days ago, an adventure game. I do not know what is this game. I searched, but it was like a new game for me, so I didn't make this. So I'm making an adventure game like this. Okay, and thank you. Really, I have. You also, he's a very kind man. So let's begin. Let me start this program. I'm having hiccups, so sorry about that. Now let's create our player with peach color, because human skin is like mostly peach, and to take this type of color and two black outlines, so this will be our player. If you want to make a perfect circle, just hold shift and make it. This will be a perfect circle like that. Shift, holding shift and making its feet like that. And then copy and then pasting to place it over on the next side, over here and over here. And I'm not a professional at making a man, but hopefully you can better than me. Okay, now let's make it go to the back layer. It should be like that, backwards, boom, and backwards, boom. We have the feet of our player. Now let's copy the whole player, create a new costume, and again paste it. This time we're going to make a key. So the key color should be this, or you can just take any color for the key. I just make the key like that. So it's just a simple key. You can like make a real key. Like you can upload a video, upload a picture of a key. Oops. So you can, like, my hiccups are disturbing me a lot. Now I want to have a square. The square should be black or whatever background you want for your adventure game to look like. I will just have this much. I'll make it go to the middle. which is very nice. Then we need to create an extra sprite that should be blank. This should be whatever color you want. This should be blank or a small dot, whichever you want. Now let's make the spawning point for a player. And the spawning point should be, let's make it like this color, I think so. This color should be nice and two black outlines, or zero outline, do it as well. So this would be our spawning point. Let's make it a bit smaller because we are going to zoom in then. So boom. So this is our spawning point. Now let's Control C, Control V this, and then place it at the end over here for the ending. Where will be the end? Let's make it blue color. This color purple. Now we have. Now let's make the things that we do not touch. If we touch them, we die. Okay. Now let me. I will make different colors, like not colors, different shapes like that. Like that, and then like that. Oops. Okay. I will select this square. You can do it as the way you want. The level 1 should be easy because level 1 is always easy. Now let's I should create one more over here, you know. I will create one more just like that. So this is our map complete. Now let's add the code in the map. Basically, our player will have just the code to change the directions. Otherwise, so now let's say go to events, grab a one green flag click, then go to motions, also looks, set size to first switch costume to the blank costume, set size to a 600 or whatever size you want to be your adventure map, 600, and then switch back to costume number 1. Back to costume number 1. So now our size of the come on, boom. I have brought the spawning point here. This is a spawning point. Okay. Let's see, 400, like 500 should do the best job. Now let's see it. Boom. It is perfect. I will make it go to this position whenever the green flag is clicked. Okay. Now let's of course make it go to the back layer when green flag clicked, because we want the player to show, of course, right? Back layer when green flag clicked. One more player is here. Let me change the directions of the costume. Come on, costume of the player. Let's switch it to like this. Perfect. Let's do the same with this costume. Switch it to this way. Let me see. Oh. Control Z. It should be at the middle. So make sure it's at the middle. Where's the perfect? And this at the middle. Now it's at the middle. Control Z. Now let's put it at the middle. Move. Now we have everything set up. Now let's make the movement in the map. Make sure you are in the map, okay? Let's go to control in the map, forever loop. Then we need to go to sensing. I was about to make the calculation in Python part 2. Oh, but I got a comment that I just showed you at the beginning of the video. So that's why I've made this video. Okay. Now let's change it to right. Right should be changing x by change x by negative 10. I think so. It's 10. Now let's duplicate this. Change it to left. Let me just see. Oh yeah. Okay. I do not know what is happening to me. I'm always confused at this. Okay. Now we have the right and left movements. Isn't this a bit slow? Let's make it 20. Let's make it 15. Actually, 15 would be the best option. 15. Now let's see if it should be a bit faster. Boom. Much better. Now let's make the up and down movements. Alright. Let's just make it go to this position. This is at the middle, okay? Now let's duplicate this. Duplicate these arrow movements. Now let's change it to up. Up would be Y and down would be Y as well. Change Y by negative 15. Hopefully, let's see this. Yeah, correct. Now then duplicate this. Change this to positive 15. So we are done with the arrow movements. So now we can move up, down, left, right, and we have our obstacles. It's here, obstacles right here. Oh yeah. Oh, here is our door. Oh yeah, we forgot to draw the key. Never mind, but we need to draw the key. Let's make the key this color and this much. No, which color was our key? Let's just take that color. Yeah, perfect. This will be our key color. I will place the key right over like here, like right here. Perfect. Now let's go and check out the key. Where did I place the key actually? Maybe here. No. Oh, it should be, yeah, here. Right there. Okay. The key is too big. Let's change the size of the key. this much. Perfect. It's much better. So after that we will grab the key. But let's now go to a player. Make sure you're in the player sprite. Make it go to events. Grab an event green flag clicked. You do not need to grab a go to one. In this, it's totally perfect because you're not basically moving the player, you're moving the map. So forever in control, if again in control, sensing, go grab a key pressed. Actually, we can duplicate, so we can duplicate it. I'll duplicate this a few times. So let's change it to left arrow, up arrow, down arrow, down arrow. Perfect. Go to motion, grab a pointing direction. Let's see if it's 90 or so. Okay, boom. Now let's change this to -90. Duplicate this. In left arrow, change it to -90. Should be the opposite direction like that. So now if we check it out, boom, look, it works perfectly. Our game is going so good, so well. So good so far, I mean. Let's duplicate this. Up should be 0 degrees. Down should be 180 degrees. Just opposite. Oh, now let's see it up, down. Okay, I know. Let's press a green flag. And when green flag is clicked, point in direction 90. So we have all of the directions done. The only thing left is two things are left. First one, we need to die while we touch these red things. Second of all, we need to add the code. If we touch this color, purple color, then we should go to the next level with the key. Don't forget that. So now let's go. Now let's add the key switching. First of all, where was the key? I do not totally remember where's the key. I think so. Yeah, here we go. I will just select this color. Go to sensing. Touching color. I'll just select this because we need it. Okay, now you can stop the program. So now let's go to the control, and then if touching color green, then switch to costume 2, that is this one. When green flag clicks, switch to costume 1. So perfect. Now let's test it out. I know this is a bit annoying. It is a bit annoying. Boom, we have the key, and if we press down green flag click, it should reset. Boom. Now two things are left. First, let's add the dying. Okay, let's duplicate this. I know I'm just I quickly want to finish this tutorial. I'm so happy that I managed to reach 300 views in my snake game. So keep on watching, keep on liking. So let's select this color, the red color. If touching the red color, then broadcast back. I do not know what to. You can name whatever broadcast you want. Okay. Back, new message. Back back. Okay, you can name your own broadcast. I'm just naming it back. Then when I receive in our what we say this map, when I receive back map back, then go to this position. Go to this position. Oh, now why isn't it working? Okay, now okay, let's test it out. So far so good. Boom. If we touch the red color, we go back. Oh. Perfect. Now we have the keys, everything working. The last thing is left to create one more level and then make it go there and game over screen. You can add it by yourself, but okay. So in the next level, I'm going to not you can add infinitely levels, as much level you want to add, but at the end I will just write U1 because it's just a small tutorial. Okay, I actually will change the color to this color and then write U1. Click the green. Okay, this is, I'll just write U1. Okay, U1. Boom. This should be here. Boom. Done. We are done. Now let's add if touching this. I really hate to do this, that we need to go to the end now. Okay, I'll just go to the costume over here, switch to this costume, and then let's go. Oh, come on. Yes. Where was that? Okay, here we go. Yeah, we need to change this. Let's make it super hard for the ones who ever play this. Let's make it, if they come this way, they will be blocked. Let me just control Z it. Now let's select this. This will be very, very hard and challenging. Like that. Perfect. This is the only way out. So nice, we have edited the level 2. Now let's say, yeah, we need to change this back to this. Boom. Now let me say to this player, let's duplicate this and let's take the color this. I do not still understand why did we went to the beginning. Let's see that. Oh, come on, this is very hard. Perfect. Now let me go grab the key. What is it? What? Oh, okay, I broadcast back. That's I will broadcast new message. Next. Oops. I write next. Let's write it next. level boom. Wait, no, it's not double. Let's press OK or enter. Broadcast next level. Whenever I go to the map sprite, let's grab whenever save. Next level, go back to this position. Next, switch to the costume number 3, and then let's make it. When we click, switch to costume 1. Switch to costume 2 specified. Okay, no need to put that. I think so. This is pretty much it.